The Ashthorpe 61-key keyboard kit is perfect for beginners, offering an educational 3-step lesson and easy-to-follow functions. This complete bundle includes essential accessories like an adjustable stand, padded bench, foldable headphones, and a microphone, making it a comprehensive solution for new players. The keyboard delivers phenomenal sound quality with its built-in speakers, featuring 300 rhythms and 300 timbres, along with numerous sound effects and a metronome. An LED screen enhances the user experience by allowing you to track your progress and utilize a rhythm programmer for versatile music composition. Its portable design means you can take this electronic keyboard anywhere, powered either by 6AA batteries or the included power adapter. The Ashthorpe keyboard is a well-rounded instrument that combines functionality and portability, making it an excellent choice for aspiring musicians.